So right click, new user. Yep. Okay. So we're going to call this backup restore. That's what we're going to call it. Backup restore user. How about that? Backup restore user. Right? Good. Next. Put our password in. Okay. And uncheck that. Password never expires. Yep. Next. And finished. Finish. Okay, so we see it there. We're going to hop over to the ComServe and we're going to set it up. Okay, so we're going to head over to our Active Directory. We're going to click on our default backup set.
So right click on it and we'll go properties because we're going to assign the storage policy. We're going to use backup, I believe. Okay, click on the storage device. Okay, backup, right? Good to go. I know before we're just going to do a couple things here, like turn off the duplication and all that. Where is it at? Storage device, data transfer. Okay, that's off. Software compression, and then we're going to turn it off, right? Yep, turn that off because we don't want that to happen. Memory resources, just, so that's what we're doing it for. Okay, same thing. Right click the job, run immediately. Do a full, click OK. Go to our job controller, tab, yeah. Okay, there it is right there. So this time, let's watch it a little. It's going to work 100% because after all, it's connected to the same device. So there's not like I have any problem connecting myself. So yeah. Okay, so it's going through it. Did the Active Directory create index? We click on our streams, we should see, ooh, yeah, we should start to see something going on here. So let's click on progress. Let's click on view media. I should see something there show up actually. Huh, same error. That's really peculiar. So I can ping myself, Commvault, I can CV ping myself all day long, every day. So something else going on. I guess I should have left that history database being recovered, waiting till recovery is finished. Okay, maybe I should have done that actually. So I'm going to do I'm just going to right click and restore it, resubmit this job. That's a database maintenance. So that's probably what the error is. So I'm going to let that kick off, and afterwards I'll resume the Active Directory job. Okay. Performs DB maintenance against the ComServe, right? So recommended, yes. Click OK. And it's going to do its stuff. And it clearly says here, you know, history DB is being recovered, waiting until recovery is finished. So being recovered, waiting until recovery. So it needs to wait, apparently. So we'll just let it do its stuff, and then we'll resume the AD. Okay, here's another error, actually. So we'll look at the process CVD, actually. Where are we at here? So process CVD, let's look at that one. What's it going to tell us? CVD, Charlie Victor Delta. Okay, okay, open log, got it. Alright, so let's see what it tells us. Open log, let's minimize this. Push W. See what we can see. What is it telling us? Okay, here's something interesting. It says BTL backup TOFS is not set. No backup will run. So that seems to be a common error. I'm going to have to Google that one. Okay, so I'm here Active Directory. I right clicked on it. I did properties. Let me change the account because that's not going to do anything for us, actually. Because there's no domain account called administrator. There's a local account, just not a domain account. Okay, there's an admin, I know that. Okay, good. Click OK. Click OK. Gonna resume it. Resume the job. Okay. Okay, I think it's gonna work, right? Okay, maybe that was the problem actually. So maybe that was the problem with my other one too. Why it didn't work, because I had very similar errors. Odd. Maybe that's why. So when you do a backup, right, you're going to see two things. You're going to see two things. First thing you're going to see is a stream, and it's going to say active, and it's going to say throughput, and you're going to see like compression, bytes, and all that, right? That's the first thing you're going to see. The second thing you're going to see, click on View Media. You're going to see your library. I'm pretty excited actually because it's working. You know, you'll get the aha moment too when you do this in yourself. But that's it right there. So all in all, look at that. Just a simple little setting. You know, all that troubleshooting, just a simple little setting to get it working. Who knew? You know, that's just how it is sometimes with Commvault, right? So, yeah. Let's see, progress. So we're actually pushing data, which is good. We're just doing Active Directory data, of course. And so let's look at the, right here. When you see it in the logs, this is a CVE log, right? When you see chunk, where's chunk at? Yeah, when you see this right here, so it says like, sorry, stop this. When it says like chunk right here, successfully closed chunk. When it starts to do that, where it's actually creating a chunk, right? You're in good shape. It means it's actually creating a file, right? So that's a good sign. Let me head back over to my job and see it. It's probably only done. Oh, it's done. Okay, cool. Browse and restore. So when you click on browse and restore, this means you're actually seeing the data. View content. Let's do this. Let's view the content. Okay. So this is the actual data. This is not live data. This is what you backed up. I think that was, yeah, right here. Back up to restore, yeah. So we added that one. So if we wanted to, what we're going to do is we're going to delete this one in Active Directory, and then we're going to restore it from this backup actually. So let's do that. I'm going to go to Active Directory users and computers because my ComServe is now domain controller. All is well for that. We're going to have to our users on our Active Directory domain controller, and simulate. Okay, user whoever fat fingered deleted an account. Oh, sorry, he deleted an account. So whoever. Oh man, my account's deleted. What happened? I don't know. Right. So we're just going to delete it. So it's gone. See, it's gone there, right? Yep, sure is. So I need to restore that data. Browse and restore, or browse and restore. So we only have one, so there's not many. So you can choose a timeline. For instance, I did it a week ago. Oh, okay. Click there. We only have one, so it's not, it's not going to yield anything in results for us. So we're going to click on, view content. Okay. Same as before. Scroll down to that's our DC, domain controller. This is our users. So the users, what user is it? Oh, back and restore. Look at that. So I'm going to recover all selected. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to say restore job details. Browse and restore, Active Directory. I want to restore that user. So I can do job initiate. I can do it now. I can schedule it. Or I can click on advanced. And advanced is like skip errors. Priority, you can set the priority to like 0 is the highest. Do it now. Precedence, the data path. Who do you want to use? You want to use the other mediators do this? Which one do you want to use? What library do you want to restore it to? Browse options, meaning you can restore the deleted item. The alerts, if you want to set up an alert. Hey, alert me when it's done. I don't want to do all that. So click OK. Click OK. And there we see it right there. Back up and restore a Active Directory object permissions, users, etc. So thanks for viewing this tutorial.